Hello, Chef here, and today I'm talking to you about chicken. Yeah, there's some chicken there. Frozen chicken. I know some of you eat frozen chicken because we all don't have chickens running around in the yard, nor do the neighbors. If you have fresh chicken, excellent. If you don't have fresh chicken, maybe you'll pull this out of the freezer. There's safe handling facts and tips on the back. Most important thing is handle it correctly. So with that said, what you need is stainless steel, and that's the best surface for you for your chicken. And you want to just toss a few of these babies in the bowl like this, as many as you think you're going to cook, and try to size up the right ones too, so you get the right sizes and shapes, more consistent. You're going to get a better product that way, okay? So this is the chicken I'm going to be cooking here, and I'm not going to just leave it in the bowl. The correct way to defrost this chicken, of course, is on a flat sheet. Lay them out. Okay, so this is a flat cookie sheet. You lay the chicken out like this, cover them, put them in the refrigerator. That's the best way to defrost chicken. Okay, I'm back. The chicken is thawed. Here we go with the recipe. Very quick, very simple recipe. In the bowl here, I've got flour, some herb blend, and mushroom powder, as well as the red right there, pinch of cayenne. So this gets mixed together. That's going to be my breading for the chicken. Okay. We're going to put salt afterwards, and we can put a little bit of pepper blend in here as well. Spice it up just a bit. Okay, so now the chicken goes in the flour one by one like this, just a quick coating, and this goes into the frying pan. Other ingredients I've got are some cracked green olives. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at those babies. Some garlic cloves, a whole bunch of them, and I just cut them in half. And a little bit of lemon slices, okay? Olive oil. Chicken goes in the pan. And you let it cook. Yeah. A nice crust. Look at that. That's what I'm looking for there. Okay, at this point we remove the chicken from the pan. And we're adding garlic. A little more olive oil. Olives. Lemon. Sea salt. Finishing with a touch of fine brandy. Oh yeah. Chicken goes on top of the olives. I'm going to put this in the oven at 350. Okay, and there's the chicken, just checking one of the larger pieces here. Make sure we're up to temperature. Oh yeah, looks good, smells good. The olives have softened. The garlic is definitely nice and tender. And looks like it's just about done there. Yeah. Okay, plating up this chicken, I've got a timbali of mushroom rice. I'm going to put that right here. Yeah, looks pretty nice. I've got one of these awesome chicken breasts. Put that right here. Mostly for color. Okay, and my garnish today is a grape tomato stuffed inside of a cherry tomato. That's it. That is the chicken dish. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a great day. Keep cooking, and I'll be back with more. Wow. That is a serious knife. Stampings on the end, solid end cap, full forged tang. Can't even feel the rivets. Perfectly finished. Layered Makata. Red and black handle. Very cool. Super Gao 161.